Alright, video log 18. I've converted my recirculating blow-off valve to a dump. So hopefully that gets caught on camera because, come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you have fucking right of way? So there you can hear what it sounds like. People are idiots. They just do whatever they want. Of course, it doesn't help that I have a GoPro strapped to my forehead. So it's converted to recirculating, or I'm sorry, converted to just dump, so it's not perfect. It's the little plastic Bosch blow-off valve. It's not like a Turbo Smart, you know, has that real nice sound. It's just kind of like a sound, you know, and I wanted something that has a little drama because my exhaust is so quiet. And I didn't want something ridiculous, because if it was ridiculous, then I'd be bitching about how loud it is. That car pissed me off. It completely ruined the good mood I was in by turning left in front of me like a fucking idiot. So yeah, I mean, it's just a little bit noisier. It's got some sound to it now. Overall, I'm really excited to be able to do this because it was a free mod. All I had to do was plug the intake hole on the plastic intake, and then just run a pipe down from the blow-off valve to give it some character. If you don't run any valve, or if you don't run any tube, it doesn't make any noise. It just, I mean, you can kind of hear it, but I added about a hose about this long, and it gives it that sound, you know, gives it a little bit of a sound to it. I could attach like a duck call or a kazoo if I really wanted to be an idiot, but the pipe is enough for now. Oh, guess you're deciding to pull forward. So this vlog is going to be kind of boring because I didn't really have much to talk about, and the car that cut me off in the beginning just kind of threw me, so I apologize if this one's kind of boring. I mostly wanted to get the sound of the blow-off valve on audio. And you can kind of hear it. See if she cuts anybody else off. Oh wait, I don't know if they're stopping or not. I can't tell. I can never tell. Another mod I did the TRD fender winglets. I'll post a picture in the video. I think it really came out good. I had to paint them myself. I painted them glossy black, and I wasn't sure if it was going to look good or not, but I really think it pops having it glossy black. Having that blow-off valve is just awesome on this car. I mean, this car should not have that sound, and it's awesome that it does. I like that it's not over the top too. I've seen some cars where it's just like the blow off is just ridiculous. It's like all you hear, and I really didn't want that. About the GoPro on my head is it kind of squeezes my head, so then I get like this GoPro forehead. It's like a red mark on my forehead. Looks terrible. So when I did that video when I went to work, it was just like, how do I get this stupid red mark on my forehead? So my next mod, I got the Password JDM fender things. They help keep your bumper on, since my bumper's like been on and off so many times that it's impossible to get it on perfect. So got to get those installed, and then once I get those installed, I have some tire paint. So I'm going to be painting the Goodyear symbols, like where it says Goodyear, the text, to give it some like white, you know, race car look. I don't know. Yeah, it's probably rice, but I don't give a shit. I think it looks cool. Oh, this is flashing red. Oh my god, this is probably a lot better than having it be fucking working. Since you can probably get some more traffic through this. Man, people are in a hurry. Oh. Oh, you're a veteran. You know how I know that? Because you have 1,000,000 stickers on the back. You're missing the sticker that says, "Come and take it." I'm gonna go head south, 45 south. I'm gonna hit up Buc-ee's, get some gas, walk around. I don't know if you've been to Buc-ee's, a big one. It's a big deal. Here in Texas, Buc-ee's is a big deal. It's insane. It's like a huge gas station. There's 60 pumps, and it's just awesome. Knickknacks and t-shirts and whatnot. So video log 18 kind of sucked because there just really wasn't much to talk about, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. You got to hear the sound of the blow-off valve, or at least hopefully you did. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like for more videos. Thanks.